Hello, everyone. Very happy to share with you that I have managed to prepare a step by step React tutorial for Project 3 that also included hooks. Unfortunately, I am not able to completely walk you through whole code process, but I will cover this in coming Zoom session. Right now, I am opening up the tutorial for Project 3 to all of you. So let's get started now. First, when you enter in the course, we can check the schedule and then we move to the next things. P2 deadline is just gone on 4th December and we have very good submission. Any student not submitted are encouraged to submit as soon as possible. There is going to be minor point reductions as per assessment criteria, but it is good to submit. Next, the Project 3 deadline is on 11th December and online test is already open for you to take any time before 12th December deadline. Then we will have retest for whole class. The retest is opening on 13th December morning at 9 and closes on 16th December midnight. It's almost 4 days. But you do not need to worry as online test already gives you 3 chances. We have increased one chance after our technical tutor suggested about technical glitch with new Canvas quizzes. I have fixed it and not all is working well. Students have benefits of one more chance. That's good for everyone in the classroom. Next, I am happy to inform you that Project 3 step-by-step tutorial is now available to you with all the concept explained well. This is kind of summary of the full stack MERN development pipeline. Now, let me allow to quickly introduce you with tutorial. First of all, read this before starting the project work. Right, it is early morning Saturday and the pile of Project 1 grading and feedback is finished by me. And though my tea has gone cold again, just joking. I am demonstrating you this tutorial to ensure you have a single, robust resource for Project 3. In Project 2, you built the backend, which is the engine. Now we build the face of your application. The key focus is on understanding the full pipeline. The data flows from the database to the Express server and finally to your React client. We will combine the authentication logic we discussed previously with a full interface that creates, reads, updates, and deletes data. If you follow this step by step, you will have a distinction level submission. The Project 3 tutorial has two main sections. Number one is concept explanation of the MERN pipeline explained. You need to click the topic to expand and study. This section covers pretty well all the concept with code examples. This is only for your learning purpose. Next section is the real Project 3 coding guidance. It is a step-by-step tutorial to follow and adjust with your Project 3 target. My final thoughts before I close this session. You now have a full stack application tutorial ready to put into practice. The backend serves data and this front end consumes it mainly by utilizing the custom hook pattern. This architecture is exactly what employers look for. If the data does not load, check the console F12 and ensure your backend is actually waking up. Next, I have given you 2 layers of feedback in Project 1 and I will do same for Project 2. one individual feedback with evaluation points and rubric grading, also some additional feedback for improvement. The second feedback layer is posted in announcement yesterday. Hope both feedback will help. Next, I will focus on Project 2 evaluation, and my target is to post before our final Zoom session. Hope all these helps you progress in studies and mainly happily learning. Good luck with the learning, hands-on practice, and submission of Project 3. If you have any difficulties, reach out to me or technical tutor Mr. Femi. We will try our best to help you out. All right, colleagues, cheerios and bye-bye.